Hi, today I have one Master Padlock ProSeries 6835 model number. It's a very cool red one. It was sent to me by Cameron Don. Cameron, thank you very much for sending it to me. It's an awesome lock. It's my first master lock that I can disassemble it without destroying it. So here's the key. It's a 5-pin with security pins in it. I think spools. I'm not sure if there are serrated there, but it's a okay beading. Nothing special, but nothing like flat, so pretty okay. And I will use this medium hook that Cameron don't send it to me, but it was made by Jason Carlson, so thank you for sending it to me. So yeah, let's start. It's a bit awkward position for me because it's a long pick. We'll see how it goes. And it's not my usual pick. So pin 1, it's binding, click. Pin 2, nothing. Pin 3, click. Pin 4, nothing. Pin 5, click from pin 5. Now 6 is binding. Counter rotation. Come on. And we have set, but 1 nothing, 2 nothing, 3 nothing, 4 5. So let's find who is, or no, it's not open. So sometimes it's happened to me a couple of times with master lock and American lock. The time it's picked, but I did not have enough tension to open it because of the spring. Yeah, I think 4. It's click on 4, or I overset 4. Yes, I overset 4. So again now 4. Did I overset it again? Maybe it's a 3. Yeah, I'm using pick that I'm not used to it. So yeah, now 1. So now I'm in deeper false set. So I overset again. So somehow I'm oversetting everything. So let's find the proper. I think I pick it. No. Yeah, finally it's over. Oh, funny one. So let's disassemble this lock. Yeah, I prepared this screwdriver. So yeah, here's that plate, and here's the, let me rearrange a bit. Here's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 6-pin chamber. I will lock it and try to remove the C-clip. Oh, it's going to give me a trouble, the C-clip. Come on, C-clip. Yeah. Here's that C-clip. I have a key. So somehow like this. No. Like this. Yeah, half moon master lock. So come on, yeah, I catch the pins from the, yeah, everything needs to be picked. Come on, let me see. Yeah, everything needs to be picked. It's a 6. Maybe I can populate it with 6, not 5, but it's a 6 pin. Come on. Second pin, standard, 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 third, 4 standard, and the 5th one standard. So it's all the key pins are standard. I was expecting it's rated like on the American locks. Yeah, standard core. So this was the front. So first one, oh, it's rated, good. Second one, spool, good. Third one, spool. Fourth one, jumped, spool. And the 5th one, it's spool. And here's the springs. So nothing done on the core. So yeah, I move it. So that's my first master lock that I can disassemble it. So as you can see, the first pin is rated, first driver is rated, everything else is spools. For the key pins, all of them are standard. And yeah, it was interesting lock, interesting pick, interesting master lock. So Cameron, thank you very much for sending it to me. I really appreciate it. And guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.